I'm Halima from the team at Slack, and I'm going to show you how to use the DMs or direct messages view inside Slack to have more focused work. The DMs view is a dedicated view for all your direct messages in Slack. With direct messages in a separate view, your attention doesn't have to be pulled away when you're working somewhere else, like in a huddle or in a different view. This means you can focus more on what matters. When you click on the DMs view, your view has all of your current direct messages. Now you can have private one-on-one messages or a small group direct messages with your team. This is great for quick check-ins on your projects or discussing sensitive information with a small group without sharing to the whole team or company. Now let's say you want to DM your VP of Finance about a project's budget. To start a DM, click the new message icon at the top of the sidebar. From there, find the name of the person you want to message and write your note. Don't forget to hit send when you're done. In any DM, you can also reply in a thread to house your comments to a specific item, keeping your messages more focused. When you click a thread, it will open to the right, so you can keep your other DMs open for easy access. You can also start a huddle with the person you're DMing. Click the huddle icon at the top right to start an audio-only or video chat in real time about the project's sales strategies or discussing internal operations. Check out this how-to video to go deeper on huddles. Let's say that you need to catalog some important notes or resources with this person you're directly messaging. You can also create a canvas for shared document collaboration. Click on the canvas icon at the top right to start a shared document between the two of you. You can store important Slack threads about the project for easy reference, put meeting agendas and link documents, and more. Check out this how-to video to go deeper on Canvas. That's it. You now know how to use the DM view to increase your productivity with Slack. If you want to go deeper, check out this playlist here or visit slack.com/help to learn more. Thanks for watching.